Welcome once again, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, to the amazing world of weather, fact, and fiction. I'm your host, Dr. Franklin Ruehl. Did you know that hurricanes are actually named after the Mayan god Hurricane of floods and storms? He helped man initially by clearing away seawater so man would have land to live on. But when man angered him, he killed him with a tremendous flood. So today's hurricane's appropriately named after Hurrican, that angry Mayan god. Now until next time, may the power of the cosmos be with you. Yes, yes, yes.